I'm Adam Goldfein. Thank you so much for joining me. Okay, so there are changes in the laws. I've tweeted out the website for the DDS, the Driver Services Division, where you can get all the information on getting your new secure driver's license. So definitely check my tweet out at Adam Goldfein. Also, I tweeted Bubba's phone number. Bubba, I hope you don't mind. I put your number out on the web, so you may be getting phone calls if you have questions about DUI, and you may not want to call the show and discuss it. If you want to speak to Bubba privately, just give him a shout, after the show, because obviously this is live. Real fast, the changes. Senate Bill 236, if you were going to distill it and make it very simple for a listener, what has changed?
What's changed is that the second offender in 5 years before had 12 months of hard suspension and then an interlock for 6. Now, and even today, even before it goes into effect January 1st, 2013, if your lawyer knows what he or she's doing, you can take advantage of the new law, which is only 4 months of hard suspension, meaning no privileges, and now 8 months of interlock. That's a major change, and this applies to both adults and underage drivers. Underage drivers in the past were basically out of luck for 18 full months if they were underage. So when that conviction goes in, if you're turning 21, you need to wait till you're 21 before the conviction goes in, and
to get the shorter sentence.
Well, you have some advantages there on a first offense, but on a second offense now you're treated just like the adult offender, whereas before you were not.
All right, now interlock. Where can I go? Where can't I go?
Well, that restriction list is very short. It's not nearly as generous as a first offense permit. So I'm going to let Jennifer cover those limited purposes for interlock, because those match up to what the federal government requires of every state if you want to get federal funds. So Jennifer, that's your bailiwick.
You notice how we threw that over to you.
No problem.
Yeah.
Really, for our interlock permit holder, starting in January, it'll be to work. They'll be able to go to and from school. They'll be able to go see the interlock provider. They'll be able to go for substance abuse treatment.
Right, and that's it. So let's go through it quick. It's 4 things. It's work, it's your job, school, treatment, or monitoring. 4 things. Here's what it's not that is allowed under the temporary permit. Doctor. Not allowed, right?
Not allowed anymore.
Driver's ed.
Not allowed.
Not allowed. Court or my probation officer.
The new permits, that's actually something new. Court, probation officer, community service. Those are new things we're adding to the non-interlock permits, and taking family members to work, to school, and to medical care.
And that was the other one I was going to say. Okay, so when we come back, your questions, 404-872-0750.